Do you want to put your metrics as rows when building a data table in Looker Studio instead of columns as is the default behavior? It's very simple, but Google made it pretty hard to find the setting. Having metrics as rows makes it way easier to compare performance across, for example, different attributes, as here we're having across different device types, or even if you want to put dates, I like it way better to put them as columns instead of rows. The default behavior when you are building a data table in Data Studio is that the metrics are being displayed here as columns and you have, for example, the dates in rows. What you will have to do in order to put the measures as rows is to go to the Style tab here. Don't look for any text, you just need to go to this Table Style and Display section where you see these two bars, and here you're just flipping this one to horizontal and bam, you're having the metrics as rows, and much more easier and to compare when you're having here the time series and you can see the sessions over time per date as columns. Clean rows, easy comparison, just a little bit hard to find the setting in Data Studio. Hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like